Las Pangasinan Association of Southern California for a special dance number. Please give it up for them.
Okay, where are you guys? Where are the members of the Root Roots dance troupe? May I have your name first, please? Where are you? Okay, here you are. Oh, even Jessica, huh? I didn't know that. Okay. May I have your name, please, before you start? This is Lisa Rodrigo, the daughter of Judge Rodrigo, right? And my sister-in-law, O.C. Daniel. And your name, please? Rachel. I'm Lorna Navarro. There's Lorna. And of course, Ray Rodrigo and Emma Navarro Macarel. Okay. And I'm Laila Dalasante. There you go. And of course we have Andrea Rodrigo. There you go. The other half of the roommate of the ex-boyfriend of Ray. And okay, Giselle, Leanne's sister. Other sister-in-law? I'm Ivy Aquas. May dalong pala. And Hilda de la Santos Reyes. And President of the Sanitarians of Southern California, Larry Paula. All right. Give me yung Paula. Paula. There you go. And from San Diego. Adana. Jesse Fernandez. Cicela Gary and Alex Soriano, the son of Dr. Soriano. Vicky Landing. All right, I got it right. And Carlos Macaret and I'm Carol Rodrigo Querido Soriano. Oh, yay! Okay, please give it up for the Root Roots family. Dance troupe.
See One, two, three. Thank you.
Sexy.
Okay. Moving on with the program. I would like to apologize to Tony and Josie Rumbo. They retired in the Philippines and luckily they're here tonight. Josie and Tony, thank you for coming.